hole in this shoe though.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do an oil change on the ST. Oh. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do an oil change on the ST. It's gonna be a DIY. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do the oil change on the ST. It's gonna be a DIY. So even though we're doing it on ST, Focus ST, it can pretty much be universal to any vehicle. So you can just follow the same steps on any vehicle that you have, and it should work the exact same. So the items that you need to do the oil change, of course, is the filter. You need the oil. If you go to like Walmart or anything, you want to use the machine that they have and the filter. The oil, you just look it up because they don't have anything like that. So basically, this is what you're gonna drain the oil in. If you're gonna do it yourself, this is basically a necessity because the oil drains in here. Once it's done, you lock it. You can store it or you can recycle it however you want to do it. You don't necessarily need this, but it's very handy because it's actually what takes the filter off. So you put it in there, say like it's on there, you just lock it in there and then you twist it and it comes off. First thing you want to do is First thing you can do is take this off. When you take this off, it allows the oil to drain faster, just air and stuff like that. So take that off, then you can jack the car up, and then we'll get underneath and I'll show you how to drain the plug in the ST. But like I said, it's going to be different in different vehicles. So I'll show you what the drain plug looks like, and then you can just basically find out whatever vehicle that you have and do that. And then make sure, like I said, make sure you have, if you're going to do it yourself, which is probably why you're watching this video, you want to have this, that way the oil has something to drain in. Where is the
Let me find out you don't know how to jack up your car.
Of course, when jacking the car up, you need jack stands and you need the jack. You obviously don't need the car jack stands because this is hydraulic. Hydraulics do give out, so you always want to make sure that you have a jack stand. So when you get underneath the car, your filter is going to look exactly like this. It may be a different color. The reason why this one's this color because it's synthetic, ultra synthetic. And then your drain plug is going to be right there. It's going to be your drain plug. After all the oil is dripped out, it's probably going to be dripping like that for a while, but you don't really have to wait until it's done.
Plug it in right now.
So we're going to plug it in right now. For right now, we're just going to hand tighten it. And then up next is the filter. So this is where this guy comes in handy. It goes into the ratchet like that. You get underneath the car, put that on the filter. I think it's left, right? Is it left? Right? Is this left? No, I think this is the wrong way. Once it's loose enough, you want to do it by hand. It's gonna start leaking. It's gonna start leaking, so don't be scared. Just like that. And it's getting like a little bit slippery. But whatever you don't drop it, because then that's when it's gonna splash everywhere. Let's get rid of it.
Why is it here? There's no way.
Because that way you're not tracking all of that. I don't know, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
You come up with some bullshit.
Before putting the new one on, what you want to do is you want to dab a little finger in the oil. You want to put it around. I do not know why, but.
So when you try to take it off again, it's not stuck on.
There you have it. That makes sense. Oil's loose, makes it loose.
It's loose. Sick.
So after dabbing the oil on it, you just put it right back up and you twist it. Hand tight. You gotta put it on straight and then twist it.
Don't get oil on you, bro. No, you're gonna get in my car right now.
Don't get oil on you. You're gonna get in my car right now.
You're gonna wear out my seats.
You're gonna wear out my seats. How's it not coming off, dude?
You're not a man.
Oh, I'm not touching it.
What's up?
Touching that ratchet anymore. You're ratchet.
So with the drain plug, you want to tighten that as much as possible because you want no leaks. With the filter, you just hand tighten that. Don't tighten it with the tool that you took it off with. Just hand tighten it and that should be good. So once you do those two, then you can go ahead and put your oil in. So the only thing that's next to do is pour the oil inside your car. So I was right at the store. I didn't have a funnel, so I just took an old Sprite can. I cut it, and this end's going to be the actual thing that goes inside the car. Judge me if you want. That's going to go in there, and then like so you have to do is put the oil in. Start the car. Well, level it. Start the car, and make sure that you have no leaks. That's pretty much it. another thing that I forgot to mention is before pouring the oil, you want to look up, unless you know by heart, how much quarts your car is. You're not supposed to pour the whole thing unless you need more than what's in the bottle. So for example, this car needs 6 quarts. This is 5 quarts. To be exact, it's 4.73. So I need this whole bottle, plus I already have oil left over from my last one. So I need this whole bottle, plus I need 1 quart of this to make it 6. Now make sure you're not putting more than what your car needs, or you're not putting less than what it needs. So after you put the oil in there, check underneath the car and make sure there's no leaks. After that, you're pretty much done. And the reason why my bumper is off is because I just installed the intercooler. So we're gonna do that right now. Other than that, that's it for today's video. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.